1996 Honda CBR 600 F3. Cleaned the carbs, changed the oil, changed the radiator fluid, and put it back together, and she started. Right now I got the battery charging, so I'll throw the battery in there and then I'll see if we get this thing moving under its own power, under its own battery. And hopefully there's no other gremlins that might prevent it from doing so. But at least I know it starts and runs at this point. I do, and so I do have a little bit of a gas leaking from one of the bowls. So one of the floats might be off or something. So I might have to go back in there and check that out. But other than that, been a good little project, and I'm going to keep learning how to do some maintenance on this thing and go from there. Next job we learn to take the brakes, front and rear brakes off, take out the brake pads and put them in, and maybe put in the brand new lines and change out the fluid. But anyway, I just want to get this thing running good first, and we'll go from there. But anyway, yep, easy runs, man. It's what a relief. I'll handle all those other stuff and get a good fine tune on it shortly or later. But, we'll see. She's been running for a good, about 10 minutes sitting here at idle. Actually 15 minutes. Okay, well, you guys have a good, safe riding motorcycle day. And you guys take care now.